Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I just want to quickly show you a little bit about getting around the PowerPoint slide view that we're looking at right now. So when we're working in PowerPoint, I've always found that one of the things that I find tricky is just getting to different places. Let me show you what I mean by this, just very briefly. When I'm working in PowerPoint, right now I'm seeing the main slide, but over here on the left-hand side we have all these other slides. If I bring my pointer up and bring it on this line right here and I get a two-headed arrow, I can drag this out and make these bigger so that this becomes a little bit smaller, but I can see these a little bit more clearly. So that's one thing. You can drag these items in and out, and as different windows or boxes pop up, you can move them around a little bit. Also, if you look down at the very bottom right, there's something called Notes. And if I click on that, a little box or window pops up down here. I can make this bigger or smaller to accommodate my notes. So if I want to put some notes in, I can put notes in. Again, if I come back down to where it says Notes, click on that again, it takes it away. If I go past that to the four little dots or squares or tiles, whatever you want to call them, this is the slide sorter view, and I've always loved this one because you can click on things and move them around however you see fit. So if the order of the presentation doesn't work for you, you can move it around here. You can also right click on things, you can reuse slides, duplicate them, and you can also hide a slide so it doesn't show up in your presentation. As I keep coming back over to this area, I can also see it in the reading view. So this is more of the reading view. I'm going to click on that again, and I have different options here. I'm going to come back over, click on the slide show view, and now I see it as a presentation so I can see what my slideshow is going to look like. And I'm just clicking on the screen to make it move on. So what I want to suggest to you, and I just hit the escape key to get out of there, is come in and look at some of these different options down on the bottom right. I think they'll surprise you and allow you to get a little bit more comfortable just moving around in PowerPoint and getting to where you want to be. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.